Dear students, welcome to this English course. My name is Elizabeth Nerea and I will be your teacher. During April and probably May, we are going to be working together by using ABAC due to the sanitary emergency that affects everyone around the world. Remember, it is your responsibility to check the available material in the platform to do the different activities which will be developed according to the dates provided. Autonomous learning is a great challenge for many people, but it is not impossible. So let's get motivated at home so that you can see results which reflect your constancy and punctuality in the tasks and projects delivery. Don't forget, we have to be connected to participate through Zoom according to your class schedule. Learning English is not only a requirement to graduate, but a necessity for everyone. I am sure you can do it. I will be available to help you with respect, patience, and tolerance. If you have questions or problems, my cell phone number is 09976740056. Enjoy and do your best, because society needs not only great professionals, but sensible humans to face hard times. Good luck.